New Delhi-controlled state investigation agency along with the Indian paramilitary personnel conducted house raids in different areas of the Poonch district and harassed the inmates. According to Kashmir Media Service, the SIA sleuths along with the paramilitary forces raided several houses in Karmara and other areas in the district and seized important documents and electronic gadgets from the houses. All parties Hurriyat Conference, paying rich tributes to the two youth martyred by the Indian troops in Kulgam, said that the Kashmiris are rendering unparalleled sacrifices for securing their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar deplored that the Modi-led Indian government was trying to mislead the world by propagating a peace and development mantra in the territory. Delhi police has confirmed that NewsClick founder Prabir has been arrested for sticking to the narrative of Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed territory. However, the police forgot that this stance is in line with the UN Security Council resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, Prabir was arrested in a case filed under the black law, the UAPA. Indian police beat up and detained around 4 dozen government health workers during a protest march in the Jammu against the Indian authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police used brute force and injured several workers, beside arresting at least 45 during the march in the city. Communist Party of India Marxist leader Mohammad Yusuf Tarigami has said that the Modi government is exploiting the working class by forcing them to work on just meager wages in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing a rally of the community health workers, the CPIM leader said that the ASHA workers in Jammu and Kashmir were staging protests, but unfortunately the authorities were not bothered to listen to them. Congress leader Raman Bhalla has blamed the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party for all the sufferings and miseries of the people in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing a gathering in Jammu, Bhalla said that the BJP had brought miseries through unprecedented price rise for the poor. Indian Army's Chinar Corps violated Facebook rules and flooded the social media network platform with a legion of make-believe user IDs, imitating the Kashmiris to promote a narrative of their own, said a multi-source report published by a web portal, The Wire. According to Kashmir Media Service, the report said that the India unit of Facebook's coordinated inauthentic behavior team had resisted removing accounts associated with an influence operation that violated the Meta's policies.